These skeleton educational videos are going insanely viral on YouTube Shorts right now. They're pulling in millions of views, and they're growing much faster than you probably think. One of these channels started just 4 months ago and has already gained over 478,000 subscribers. When I checked, the total views had crossed 281 million, and their estimated monthly earnings were around $40,000. Now here's the crazy part. You can create videos like these using completely free AI tools. That means you can start your own channel and begin earning by uploading viral AI-generated shorts. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section. Search for Skeleton Shorts, and click on the Skeleton Shorts topic generator. Hit Start. It will ask if you have any topic ideas. Just type No. It will begin suggesting multiple viral-ready titles, one by one. Once you have a list of ideas, copy them all and paste them into Google Docs so you can review and choose the best one. And if you want the exact prompt I used in this video, just comment the word prompt below and I'll share it with you. Next, copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Take the title you selected and insert it between the brackets in the prompt. Then hit Generate. ChatGPT will create a complete scene-by-scene breakdown, including the voiceover script, visual ideas, and animation prompts for each scene. Copy the entire scene-by-scene script. Now go back to Explore GPTs, search for Skeleton 3D, and open the Skeleton 3D Viral Shorts generator. Paste your script there, and at the end, type Generate a single main prompt per scene. Press Enter, and it will generate detailed image prompts for every scene. To create the images, go to Whisk AI. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and lock your seed so all your images stay consistent. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Whisk, and click Generate. It will produce 2 images. Download the one you like most. Then repeat the same process with the second prompt and continue until you've generated all the images for your video. Now it's time to animate. Open Flow and click Create with Flow, then start a new project. Make sure video is selected. Choose Ingredients, set the format to Portrait, set the output to 1, and select the model Veo 3.1 Fast. Upload your first image, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first animation prompt. Paste it into Flow and hit Generate. Take a look at the result. You'll see how smooth and professional it looks. Then upload the second image, paste the second animation prompt, and generate again. Follow this same process until you've created all your video clips. Download each one once it's ready. For the voiceover, go back to ChatGPT and copy the full voiceover script. Open Google AI Studio, select Single Speaker Audio, and paste the script there. Choose any voice you like, then click Generate and download the final voiceover file. Finally, open CapCut and import all the generated video clips along with the voiceover. Drag everything onto the timeline in order. Adjust each clip so it perfectly matches the voiceover timing. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then export the video in maximum resolution at 60 frames per second. And that's it. This is the complete step-by-step process to create viral skeleton educational shorts using AI. If you want the exact prompt I used, comment prompt below, and I'll send it to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI niche breakdown videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.
This much sugar can shut your body down. Just one large soda can contain over 10 teaspoons of sugar. When that hits your bloodstream, your blood sugar spikes fast. Your pancreas panics and dumps insulin to stop the damage. Then comes the crash, sudden fatigue, dizziness, and brain fog. Do this often and your cells stop responding to insulin. That's how sugar pushes your body toward burnout and disease.